What's going on, guys? Welcome to HTX G20. This is my first G20 Shenanigans vlog. See how it goes. I just got off work. We're gonna head to the junkyard, check out a G20, and see what we can find. Let's go. If you've never been to LKQ Part Yard, it's $3 to get in cash. Bring your tools and go find your car. Here we got an old school Maxima. Looks like someone took the spoiler. Still has the sunroof deflector. Some people like those. But and check out that guy right there. P10 G20. So here we have our first victim. P10 G20. This is pretty much what you will find at the junkyard. Pretty rough. I know someone's gonna say, hey, why don't you just take the grill, right? Nope. No logo. It's banged up. Headlight looks good, but nope. Nice big chip right there. Repeater, cracked. So you gotta be careful. So this doesn't look like much, but this is a 2003 Sentra SCR Spec V, as far as I can tell. This one did not have an SR20 in it, but it's kind of cool to see. 6-speed Nissan. Oh, look at this. Come and get it. And check this out. It's the G20 sunroof handle. Not a whole lot of people know you can find these in the Spec V Sentras. Sometimes intact. One took the SER badge. Spec V wheels. Pretty sure these bolt right onto the G20. So normally I just go straight to the car that I'm looking for, but I wanted y'all to see kind of what you can find here. This is just the import section, and we've got probably 200 or 300 cars. I don't even know. Here's our next victim. This is the car I actually wanted to look at. It's just a G20. Looks pretty stock. No sunroof handle. Kind of nasty interior. Sometimes you get lucky and the interior is spotless. But that's okay, because the only thing I was really wanting to look at was this Alpine unit. So upon further review, I'm going to pass. Here's just another look. The engine bay. The cover gasket isn't too fouled up, but it looks like they tried to paint it. And now it looks like crap. Oil leaks everywhere. Wiring issues, like holy moly. So not much here worth taking, if anything. I will say the headlights aren't too bad, except for the broken tab. And the bumper is actually not bad at all. Usually you see scrapes all underneath here, like on mine. So if anyone needs the gold bumper, it'll be here. And it looks so much better without that awful license plate holder. Alright, we're out of here. Found a few small things, so it wasn't a complete waste of time, but kind of how it goes. The head unit, Alpine head unit, was really just an excuse for me to come look at this thing. And we ended up finding a few knickknacks, which is okay with me. Be interested to see how much they charge me for these things. See if we can jump this Chevy.
So you hear that clink, 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 and you get that shit just straight.
It's always something with older cars, right? And this one's 20 years old.
That car 20 years old?
Yeah.
It don't look like it though.
They're 99.
Those old school cars weren't better though.
Yeah. Exhaust. It's not perfect, but I like it. Alright, so y'all are probably wondering what I bought. This is it. Got a new orange fender repeater. Usually these are yellow and foggy. This one was new, the other one was yellow and foggy, so I grabbed it. Kind of cool to see. Passenger side fog delete. Some people look for those every once in a while. This is actually a passenger side fog light for Mazda. I've pulled these for a while now and people seem to buy them all the time. And this only costs 14 bucks. So if you've never been to a junkyard or salvage yard and you're suddenly like, I need to go and look for those G20s, here's what I usually do. I usually bring this bag. Most important tools are these. Ratcheting 10 and 12s millimeters. Saves time when you're out there. Probably want some gloves. I have a bunch of sockets. All the essentials. You never know what you'll need. Somebody wanted to borrow these out there. They were taking something off of a Civic, so they got that done and brought it back to me. And I usually bring a backpack just to throw everything in. Sometimes you might find a nice set of headlights. You never know, and those are a pain to carry, so yeah, I bring water. That's it for my first vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it, and thanks for watching.